Ntando Duma joins the Queen. Popular Mzansi Magic telenovela The Queen is doing a complete shake-up as they introduce new characters to the hit drama. Several new actors have already been revealed assets to join the popular drama in the upcoming season, and another big Mzansi name will be joining the cast. According to entertainment commentator Film Fella, Ntando Duma will be joining the Queen and will play the role of Mfo, who is the daughter of legendary actor Rapilana Sifimo's character, Hector Sabata. Jessica Nkosi is also joining the Queen and will also portray Hector's daughter Ntando. Season 4 of The Queen comes to an end on July the 24th, and hopefully, the new characters will begin to be reintroduced once the season begins. Ntando is no stranger to Mzansi screens. She is popularly known for her portrayal of Zinzi Dandala on the popular ITV show Rhythm City. Whilst there has been controversy behind several exits of actors on the show, the Fergusons keep their heads high and keep the entertainment coming for viewers.
Yeah.